And of course, directed by Arthur Alejandro.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Colleen. Quick interview lang.
Okay.
Ano masasabi mo na nakatrabaho mo ng isang Direct Mac Alejandro?
Sobrang ganda talaga ng feeling. Like I was saying earlier, I've really been waiting to experience yung may pumiga sa akin talaga na director. Sabi nga ng iba, parang nakakatakot, nakaka-intimidate yung magkaroon ng ganong experience. Pero ako hinahanap ko talaga eh. Kasi I really feel like dun talaga ako mag-grow. And I don't feel like nag-grow ako kung puro parang okay na yan, pwede na yan. I just really appreciate na Direct Mac saw something more in us. Kasi kung hindi naman niya nakikita, hindi naman na siguro ihihingi, di ba? So, maganda yung feeling, all positive, wala akong any negative na experience sa set namin. And I'm excited and I'm looking forward to the time na maka-work ko siya ulit.
Paano ka naman humuhugot kay Diego Loizaga as a co-actor?
Magaling si Diego as an actor. And hindi niya talaga ako binigo din during those times na we needed to connect and we needed to yung kailangan namin humugot from each other. Malaking bagay talaga na mahusay na artista si Diego. And malaking bagay din naman na close kami. So yung mga love scenes lang naman yung mahirap kasi physical eh. Pero everything else, parang because may existing connection naman na kami as friends, nagamit pa rin naman namin yun. So I'm very glad na siya yung naging partner ko dito.
Last na lang, can you share back paano yung nag-umpisa yung friendship niyo ni Diego?
Paano ba? Nag-workshop kami nung baguhan pa lang siya. As in, wala pa siyang any project.
Star Magic ba?
Star Magic pa lang. Tapos, pero hindi naman kami naging friends noon. Doon ko lang siya una nakilala. Tapos si Tita Tong, si Tita Teresa, naka-work ko siya sa Passion de Amor. Siya yung mom ko. And we really hit it off. Naging close din kami ni Tita. Hanggang sa naging close kami dun sa kapatid ni Diego na nag-visit sa set namin sa Passion. Halos everyday siyang nasa house namin noon. Kahit wala kami sa bahay, nandun siya sa house. Yung kapatid ni Diego. Hanggang sa, kasi Diego that time, parang iba yung barkada niya. Hanggang sa, hindi na namin masyado nakakasama yung kuya ni Diego. Si Diego na yung nakakasama namin. So, I'm sure, kapag hinukay, makikita mo na he spent already the holidays with my family. Yun, kwento niya kanina, nagsisleepover siya sa bahay. Talagang naging parang kapatid ko na siya. Yeah.
Now na you're working with, siyempre isang gabi si Diego Loizaga, no? And
Yes.
may open na rin kasing collaboration with GMA and ABS-CBN. And are you, do you want to work with GMA artists or do you have in mind?
Actually, my next film after this na natapos
Playtime.
na namin is
Si Yan
Playtime.
Lim.
Yes. So ipapalabas po yan ngayong June 12. So Independence
Wow.
Day naman yun. So yun, next na ipopromote ko. Pero yun, may mga nakasama po ako mga Kapuso artists.
Sanya Lopez. How does it feel
NCP.
working with Kapuso stars? Like
Great.
Sian,
Great. Well, si Sian kasi, naka-work ko siya nung...
Sin Island.
Yeah, hindi pa siya Kapuso. Para pa kaming from Star Cinema noon.
And
Pero
Sanya?
yun, sina Sanya and sina Faye.
Si Lorenzo.
I mean, I don't look at them as GMA artists, just as actors, as people. So, masaya yung experience ko with them. Nandun yung good work ethic, nandun yung napaka-professional at mahuhusay. Pareho silang mahuhusay.
How about Kim Pao na very trending sila ngayon? Kim Chu and Paolo.
So, ano
You
Kim
work
Pao?
with Kim Chu, di ba? Sa Ikaw Lang
Yeah,
Ibigin.
yeah, I
And
worked
Paolo
with
naman,
Kim.
Once Upon a Time Before.
Oh my gosh! I'm surprised you know that.
And of course,
Ang
ngayon
tagal
may
na
elevator
nun.
ngayon si Paolo na parang pwede rin
Yeah,
diva.
oo.
Any chance of working with Kim Pao?
I've always wanted to work with Paolo again. Kasi parang sobrang bitin naman yung one.
Series lang. Ano
Ang
lang.
tsaka pa po umarte nun. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, parang sobrang baby pa ako nung time na yun. And it was
Newbie,
just
yeah.
one episode. Like, I barely remember that experience. Pero, yun, ang lakas din ng tambalan nila ngayon.
What's wrong
And
with
Kim
it?
was such a joy to work with. Kung ano nakikita mo sa screen, yun at yun talaga. Ganun talaga siya in person. So, it was great working with them. And the entire time na nag-teleserye ako with Kim, it was such a light experience. So, it's definitely something that I'm open to doing again.
Anong genre, if ever?
Parang I'm so open to exploring like
Yeah.
almost every genre talaga. So kahit ano pa yan.
Thank you. Please invite na lang everyone to please watch Isang Gabi.
Ayan po, sana po panoorin niyo ang Isang Gabi, showing na po only in cinemas this May 15. Thank you!
Thank you.
Good afternoon, yeah. Diego, Colleen, Direk. Kanina na-interview na namin si Direk, no? Colleen, Diego. Sabi niya, thankful siya na tinanggap niyo tong pelikulang to. Na, nung nag-meeting daw kayo, parang hindi ka na raw bumalik, Colleen. Kala niya hindi matutuloy. Pero yun, kaya nung nag-meeting uli, nag-yes ka, talagang dire-diretsong shooting na. Oo. Ang sabi ni Direk, grabe, may mga eksena talaga nakapanty ka lang, naka-bra, tapos naka-pop, sexy daw talaga. Pero gandang-ganda siya. So ano masasabi niyo?
Yun nga po na-mention nga po ni Direk na at first medyo nagdalawang isip kami. Two reasons. One reason was because the material is really very difficult. Yeah. Originally kasi, yung script na to was sexier, it was for Viva Max, pero syempre marami silang binago. And it's heavy drama kasi yung pelikulang ito. So ako, nagdalawang isip ako sa sarili ko kung kaya ko ba, kung mabibigyan ko ba ng justice. And then another reason pa, si Diego kasama ko.
Kasi para kami magkapatid.
Para kaming magkapatid. Para ko siyang little brother. Kaya parang, kaya ko pang gawin to. So it was a big factor. Pero nagawa naman namin.
Nahiraos naman.
Nagawa naman namin ng maayos. So, and then we're here, natuloy namin. So even if at the start meron kaming medyo may apprehensions ng konti, di ba? We decided together na ituloy namin. Kaya happy naman kami.
So kayo mismo nag-usap na, yes, tanggapin na natin.
Yeah, well, aside from talking to Direk and talking to Boss and everybody else in between, kami dalawa din, like, are we sure na we want to do... I mean, I've never had, aside from Madarnagan, pero minimal, yeah, wala kami masyadong eksena. Sabi ko, if we're gonna have a movie together, are we sure na this is the kind of movie that we want to have? Only because na originally the script was intended for Viva Max. And when I look at Colleen, I see Quiz, si Billy, they've been my friends for the longest time in showbiz, so may onting awkwardness talaga, but hindi may awkwardness talaga. Especially our first scene na magkasama kami na yung lines. Basta, we'll just leave that out of it. So it was difficult, but then it's our profession at the end of the day. Alam mo yun, you should take out yung personal stuff and tignan mo lang talaga na trabaho lang naman to eh.
Yan, oo nga. Ikaw na rin nagsabi, pang Viva Max sana to. Pero sabi naman ni Boss B, ang ganda ng pelikulang to, hindi to pang Viva Max. Kailangan may ipalabas to sa sinihan, ang laking pelikula nito, di ba? Pang sinihan talaga to, siya nagsabi. Pero yan, Colleen, sabi kasi ni Direk, nung after the 3 scenes na, yun nga, yung sexy, ayaw niyang tawagin, just intimate scenes, no? Passionate scenes, no? Ayaw niyang tawagin erotic. Pero after the 3 scenes, sinabi mo raw sa kanya na kahit before, hindi ka pa raw gumawa ng ganong eksena o ganong katindi. So, pinaalam mo ba ito kay Billy? First time niya.
Kasi syempre, alam niyo na din po siguro na-try ko na din na mag-love scene before and everything. I don't know, for some reason, the experience this time around felt a bit different because parang the times that I shot love scenes before, parang may, I don't know how to explain it, pero it was a lot more youthful. Ngayon kasi, there was a certain level of maturity kasi sa mga eksenang ito. And hindi naman, tama naman si Direk na huwag tawaging erotic kasi naman talaga siya, pag pinag mo, hindi naman talaga siya erotic eh. It's, the presence of the love scene is really needed for the movie kasi sobrang passionate siya. And doon ko naranasan na yung difference between these specific scenes sa movie na to at saka yung mga love scenes na nagawa ko in the past. yun nga, parang may lalim siya. May lalim siya ngayon. So, even though hindi ko first time na makagawa ng ganong klaseng eksena, na sabi ko kay Direk na it's my first time feeling it in this way, going through it this way, and yung effect niya din, ibang-iba. So, I mean, yeah, a love scene is a love scene. Pero pag dinaisect mo kasi, tsaka yung dating niya, syempre, sa mga manonood, iba talaga. Ay, yun ang masasabi ko. And siguro makikita nyo na lang yun kapag napanood niyo yung pelikula.
Yan, hindi mo nasagot yung pinaalam mo ba kay Bibi? Pinaalam mo kay Bibi?
Sorry, hindi ko pala narinig yun. Si Billy kasi, actually ito yung first script niya in a long time na hindi niya nabasa. So hindi niya alam kung anong magiging story dito sa mismong pelikula. But I do tell him about the scenes that I'm shooting kasi ayoko naman ng gulatan. Parang hindi naman tama yun na biglang magugulat na lang siya, may mga ganong eksena ako. So without giving away the story to him, kasi gusto ko din na makuha yung organic reaction niya sa buong kwento, sinabi ko sa kanya kung ano mga klaseng scenes yung sinushoot ko, kung how far I went and everything. So alam naman niya. And wala naman siyang, I would say pa nga na mas uncomfortable ako kaysa sa kanya eh. Kasi parang sinasabi niya, ano ba, love, okay lang yan, kailangan yan for the movie and everything. So I would say na ako mas nakaramdam pa nga ako ng discomfort. Si Billy wala naman.
Yeah, and thank you, and ngayon pa lang, good luck, congratulations. Kasi kagabi pinakita sa elevator premiere night yung trailer, maraming nagandaan. Ako, doon ko talaga nakita kagabi. Sabi ko kay Direk Mac kanina, congratulations, ang ganda ng trailer, di ba?
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Sana
Jericho.
pati yung movie magasaan niya.
Yeah, thank you, Colleen, Jericho. And Direk, yeah, good luck, yeah.
Thank you.
Jean Kylie. Natatakot akong lumampas ang question ko. Dinalusot ko naman ang pas talaga sa dalawa. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was June Line of Aban.